Stock number 40933W to 2017 Nissan Murano. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the paint problems in the front bumper is no good. Front bumper is no good. It's got too many damages. Got a parking lot ding in the hood. Surface scratch on the front fender. Surface scratch on the back door. Surface scratch on the corner panel. There's got some surface scratches too. Rear bumper's got paint problem. Parking lot ding. That should be a P. Parking lot ding. Rear bumper. That's just falling off on the bottom. Rear bumper's no good. The deck lid has a paint problem. Quarter panel's no good. Rear door's no good. Driver door's no good. The front fender's got surface scratch on it. Paint problem. The steering wheel airbags deployed, the driver and the passenger roof airbags are deployed, the driver knee airbags deployed, the driver's seat airbags deployed, the driver and the passenger seat belts are locked. It does have a key, it does not start. Seats are automatic, seat airbag, seat belts locked. Passenger roof, driver, steering wheel, driver knee. Does have a key, it does not start. The seatbelt's locked, the roof airbag's deployed, passenger dash airbag's deployed. Seatbelt's good. Seatbelt's good as well. This is stock number 40933W It's a 2017 Nissan Murano. It does have a key, it does not start.